Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stacy and I do nail videos. Today I have a unboxing for you from Your Nail Lab. So this is April 2022. So let's see what we got. We got some rhinestones. These are the AB rhinestones in different sizes, and there's a good amount of stones in there. Also, we got these nail decorations. So they are teddy bears with a heart gem in the middle of them, and they are in gold, silver, and rose gold. So let me get them out here for you. And again, we got a decent amount of them. So you can see how big they are. Really, really cute. Back in the bag. These are both the gems, and these are part of their new line that's available. So I like how the boxes come with their new products and not just all the older products. So we also got some more embellishments. Here's a closer look. So pearls, two kinds of flowers. I like how the caviar beads are in bags so they're not all over the place. And these very popular flowers that you see everybody doing right now, in which you either put a caviar bead or a pearl in the center of them. And it looks like there's different sizes. And some metal embellishments. So there's some moons or half circles in different sizes, and then some bars in different sizes. And we also got foil. I'm not going to take them all out, but that's what they look like. A bunch of different kinds of flowers. This one looks really pretty. This one too. And because we got the foils, we got foil glue and foil polish. And we got some glitters. So these all come in little containers. Give you a close-up. Those look like iridescent hearts in there. Look like I see some stars in there. These look like just different circle sizes. A different kind of gold. Some silver. These look like they have different shapes in them. You see hearts and lines, stars. I'm not sure if that's a moon I see in there too. I think this is the same thing, just in a different shade. Here's a rose gold colored glitter. Very pretty. A holographic one. Different kinds of shapes in them. Hearts, lines, stars. Another gold, different shade of gold in the circles. There's a lot of glitter here. The different shaped ones, this time in a see-through white and silver, and another silver glitter. So yep, that's it for the glitters. And we got some nail liners. So here is a pink one. Sorry, I have glitter all over my fingers now. And this is what it looks like and the brush looks like. It's a very pretty shade of pink. And we got a second liner, which is a gold. So very shiny. That's what it looks like. And then we got some poly gels. So, I don't know if this says the, oh, there. Sea Sisters. I'll have to get my scissors to open this for you. So let's see if I can open this and show you the color. So there's the color. It's a very pretty pearl. It looks like a iridescent pink or a pearl pink. So that's that one. And we got a second one. This one is called Cake. I'll open that. And we'll take the aluminum little foil off of it. And I'll show you a close-up. So this one looks like it's pearl too. Can't quite tell until I swatch it. Very pretty. There's what I received in my You're Now in a Lab box, April 2022 edition. I am super happy with each and every item I got. You can't go wrong for $29.99. You get a lot of stuff for your money, and it's good stuff. So if you like this video, please be sure to give it a like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Also follow me on both Instagram and TikTok. I will have those links in the description, and I will be doing a giveaway in the future of all the goodies that I've been collecting that have been duplicates for me. So I will pick one winner at random that comments on my YouTube videos. So be sure to comment and like on as many of those you can. You must be a subscriber of my TikTok, my Instagram, and my YouTube in order to qualify. So thank you for joining me, and have a wonderful day.